Introducing Eve, Bari J's latest fabric collection that honors the strength and endurance of the female spirit. Eve, the mother of us all. Representing the beautiful qualities of being a woman through prints of fierce cheetahs, graceful herons, and gentle butterflies. In a special interview with Bari J, this collection started with the painting of the cheetahs with florals in their silhouettes. It was meant to convey female strength, resilience, and power. From that, Eve was created, and it was a line dedicated to the beauty of women. Feminine prints were the main focus of this collection as they expressed the majesty of our earth and motherhood. Bari found herons to be magical and essential for this collection, as well as her staple painterly florals. Embark on a sewing journey with this eye-catching color palette. With 16 premium quilting cotton prints, these pretty fabrics can be transformed into luxe-filled quilts like our free quilt pattern, Garden of Eden, which just embodies everything about the word glamorous. Just flip through the pages of our Eve Fabric Lookbook that will show you a variety of sewing projects that you can recreate. Discover tons of new ways and ideas to piece together these fabrics. With the array of textures this collection has to offer, you'll find unique quilt blocks, stunning home decor, accessories, and of course, quilts. Garment makers, you will adore all the possible dresses and accessories you can create with the 1 knit and 2 rayon substrates available. Make any dress and top stand out while looking elegant with these prints. We have so many matching blender fabrics you can play with for this collection, and you can find a full list of all the colors that are shown in this video in the description box below. We also have exciting news for you viewers to get a chance to win a fat quarter bundle of all the cotton prints featured in Eve. Check out the description box below for all the giveaway details and rules. The winner will be announced next week. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel to stay up to date with the latest collections. And until next time, happy sewing!